Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro, and today we're going to be installing a RecPro monitoring panel. This panel should take you about 10 minutes if you know all your wires. Keep in mind, this time may vary depending on your system. The tools that you're going to need for this are a screwdriver or impact, wire strippers, wire nuts. We'll also be using terminal blocks because they were pre-installed in our unit and they happen to have open spaces in them. Please keep in mind that every RV wiring is different, so the easiest way to have this is having all your wires labeled. And if you're using a different monitoring panel, make sure to read over the instructions because those wires may be different as well. This project should only take you 10 minutes if all your wires are labeled, but that time may vary. But let's get right into it. After disconnecting our power, we're going to prep all of our wires. This is done by stripping all the wire ends off, and then we're going to cap off the wires that we know that our system won't use. The wires that we're capping off are our LP or propane sensor, our water heater failure sensor, the water heater electric, and the water heater gas. Your system may vary and you may need these wires. Then we're going to connect our ground. Our system had a terminal block, so we're just going to connect our ground to that. Then we're going to connect our positive for our panel. Again, our system had a positive terminal block with an open slot, so we're going to use that too. Our water pump was already pre-installed and used a terminal block, so we can just use an open slot in that. For all of our water tank sensoring wires, we'll be using twist caps. This is because they are new installs and don't previously have terminal blocks. Ours will be the freshwater, the gray water, and the black water tank sensors. The reason we're not hooking up any of our water heater stuff is our water heater has its own panel and operates individually. Yours may vary. Now that all the wires are connected, we're going to put all the wires and the panel into the wall. Then we're going to screw it down. Now that the panel is screwed down, we're going to test it for what we wired up. This is simply done just by clicking some of the buttons and flipping a couple of the switches. And you see, this installation was rather simple and easy. Hopefully yours isn't very too much. If you'd like to know more about this product, click the link in the description below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.